Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok from playing videos in the background and how to completely disable autoplay. This is super useful for saving your mobile data and battery life. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and locate the TikTok app. Tap to open the application and ensure you're logged into your account. From the main feed, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, look to the top right corner where you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap these three lines to open the Settings menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy to access TikTok's various configuration options. Now, scroll down carefully through the settings list. Look for the section called Cache and Cellular, or sometimes simply Data. Tap on Data Saver to open these specific settings. Here you'll find the Data Saver toggle switch. Slide this toggle to the On position to activate Data Saver mode. When Data Saver is enabled, videos will no longer autoplay when you're using mobile data. This also significantly reduces background data usage. Additionally, videos may stream in a lower resolution to conserve data. It's important to note, this setting primarily affects mobile data usage. Videos may still autoplay when you're connected to Wi-Fi. For complete background control, also check your phone's general app settings. On iOS, go to Settings, TikTok, Toggle Off, Background App Refresh. Combining these settings will give you the best control over TikTok's background activity. Thank you for watching.